Welcome back, Sweden, to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is the evening of December 14th, 2022. And before we get started, Sweden, I have a favor to ask you folks today. If you're watching this video on YouTube today, by all means, click the like button next to the video for me, okay? So let's just get started here now. Now, Sweden is kind of an interesting case because back during the summer, they switched from a 7-day reporting cycle to a 4-day reporting cycle. So what that means is they were only recording COVID-19 data Tuesday to Friday, okay? Tuesday to Friday, which means they were added Saturday, Sunday, Monday's numbers on the Tuesday's numbers. So it's produced a big spike, which makes it, oh, hey, Daniel, good deal, Daniel. Hey, thanks for stopping by, friend. I'm also glad to see you're actually getting back to you return to the true path of enlightenment, which of course is our programming, right? So what are you doing with our program? Is this part of work again, or is this just something you kind of doing in your spare time? Nonetheless, let's take a look at Sweden here. Okay, so here's the thing about Sweden is, okay, this is not a good start to the year. Over 200,000 cases in only 2 weeks into the year, okay? The good news is the deaths are quite a bit lower, comparatively speaking, right? So, but, okay. So what are you working on for work then? What are you using R for at work right now? Of course, spare time is something I have a lot of because I'm retired. Matter of fact, all I have is spare time now that I'm retired. Using R mainly to build, make less. Okay, she's still working on your lessons. Okay, good, 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 good. All right. So how has that PhD, doctoral, how has that changed your life? How's that for a killer question, huh? Anyway, you can see these numbers here. These are the Tuesday numbers. These are the Tuesday spikes. So we don't really know what the real numbers are. What we do know, Sweden had this big, long declining trend here. Wasn't that unusual, but it did. Then you can see you had this little roller coaster ride here, a big bump up in cases. Now the cases are beginning to fall back down again. Okay? And again, you can see the spikes here. These are 14-day averages. All right? And you can see here also, it's I'm sorry about the more responsibility. Okay, yeah. No more classrooms, no more cramming the night before the exam, stuff like that. It's and you got two letters before your name now, right? And you can see here, Sweden is averaging 498 deaths for the previous 14 days. Now, this isn't particularly good because you are seeing a beginning of a trend up in. Is anybody else lurking? I want to make sure Yuka isn't like hiding in the background there or something like that. Okay, good. Now this is a little bit different because you can see all the way over to here. Sweden has had pretty good death counts, but now you can see they're starting to climb here again. As a matter of fact, this one here, well, again, they say climb, but this trend line here is only says 24.6 deaths. Okay. Yeah, there's a spike here, I guess. But what is this? I see for the 14-day period ending January 13th, um, 15.4 deaths per day average. And this is the weekly cases for us, Sweden. And this is weekly deaths. Take a look at the monthly, and you can see that unfortunately that this is a common trend. Everybody's having a very bad January in terms of COVID-19 cases. Because once again, January 2022 for Sweden is the worst month in 12 months in terms of COVID-19 cases, and we're only 2 weeks in. But the good news is this right here. This line here is 500 deaths per month. Look at all the months, Sweden, when you were under 500 per month. And this line here is 250. So who knows? Maybe January will stay under 250 deaths for the month. Okay. Okay, so that takes care of this report for Sweden. Again, before I let you go to Sweden, favor to ask, if you're watching this video on YouTube, be sure to click the like button next to the video, okay?